I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Our YouTube channel has 16,000 videos absolutely free for you to watch. And we are adding almost daily a new video. Here is a very interesting question based on proving trigonometric identities. It is indeed good for beginners who want to understand the best strategies to prove identities. We have two examples shown here. You can always pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions. Well, in case you want to learn from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. We care for your needs. Now let us try to prove these identities one by one. First one, cos x tan cube x equals to sin x tan square x. We'll use the basic reciprocal and quotient identities. Okay. So you understand the reciprocal identity, which is tan x is equals to sin x over cos x. Well, that is a quotient identity. Now we can use quotient identity in question number 1 to prove. However, I find it better not to use the quotient identity in this case. Reason is very simple. We do have tan square x on the right hand side also, right? So we'll partially use it. You get the idea. Let us see how do we solve this particular identity. We have cos x tan cube x equals to sin x tan square x. Let's begin with left hand side, which is cos x tan cube x. Well, since we want tan square x, we'll just use one of those tans, right? We can write this as cos x times tan x times tan square x. Now tan x, using the quotient identity, can be written as what? So we have cos x times sin x over cos x, correct? That is tan x times tan square x. Now cos x and cos x cancel, leaving sin x times tan square x. And that is what we need. That is the right hand side. So in 3 steps, you see how we prove this identity. Perfect. Now let's take here is the solution for you, right? Neatly typed out solution for your reference. Make a note of this. In case you want to learn from me, just send an email on the address given. So I hope this solution is absolutely clear. Let's move on and solve the next identity. We need to prove that sin square x plus cos to the power of 4x equals to sin to the power of 4x plus cos square x. Well, let's begin with left hand side, which is sin square x plus cos to the power of 4x. Now clearly, cos to the power of 4x can be written as cos square x whole square, right? Now, we can use Pythagorean identity to write cos square x as 1 minus sin square x, clear? Whole square. As you know, sin square x plus cos square x is 1, right? Rearranging, we get cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. Perfect. So let's continue with that. We have sin square x plus expand a minus b whole square, 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin to the power of 4x. So see, we already got sin to the power of 4x, right? Which we wanted. But we need cos square x. Well, sine square x minus sine square x is minus sine square x, right? That helps, correct? So we can write this as 1 minus sine square x plus sine to the power of 4x. Now, how did we get 1 minus? Because we have these terms sine square x and minus 2 sine square x. That gives us minus sine square x, correct? And what is 1 minus sine square x? Well, that is cos square x. So we get cos square x plus sine to the power of 4x, which is the right hand side. So that is how we are going to prove this identity using primary trigonometric ratios. Here is complete solution for your reference. I hope this proof is straightforward. It helps you understand the basic concepts. In case you want to learn from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your time and all the best.